SurGuard, the high-build masonry coating, protecting your masonry products on your home for decades to come. To demonstrate this, you're about to see the SurGuard water test that will show you how this amazing product works to keep your home safe from any environmental erosion or wear and tear from the elements from here on out.
Hi everyone, it's Greg with Ana Masonry, Toronto's premier and award-winning masonry company. We're at a finished job with SurGuard high-build foundation coatings. I just wanted to take a quick moment and show you the advantage of having your home, your foundation, your masonry work sealed with SurGuard, the high-build foundation vertical coating. This has been done. We've already prepped it. We've cleaned it. We've prepped it for the SurGuard. We've applied a couple of coats. It's protected. It acts like a plastic. It's a water-based acrylic, as I mentioned. It has a lattice molecular component, and that just it essentially allows the material or the moisture to breathe from underneath. That is naturally occurring in this masonry work. And it will prevent any kind of blistering, peeling, bubbling, anything of that nature. So I'm going to do a very quick water test on the foundation that's sealed with SurGuard. Right beside, I also have some typical landscaping man-made material. It's porous, it's designed to absorb water and then obviously evaporate, but it just will show you the difference between sealant of a foundation masonry as opposed to an unsealed foundation masonry. So I'll just take this water here. And now, one of the things I want to point out is even though there's some imperfections in the wall, it really doesn't matter. That would be more of an aesthetic. So if this was in the front, we may want to spend more time, more budget, more money to make this more of an aesthetic finish, but it doesn't matter with SurGuard because once we've sealed it, it's just by people standing back, it's going to blend in, but it's going to do what it's supposed to do, which is to protect it with the water. So when I just pour water in, you can see how it's just naturally running down. It's not getting pulled in. It's going to evaporate quickly. And in the winter time, when we're going through those freezing, thawing cycles, sometimes several times in a day, this will not get pulled into the masonry. Now, if I just move over here to the man-made, the interlock, you can see where it's just getting pulled in and it's getting absorbed into the pores. And now when that goes ahead to start freezing and to thawing, that's going to start wanting to erode. Now this material is designed for that, but this is a typical concrete, just like a block foundation. And when you have this buildup, certainly on the ground where you can see a lot more erosion in that winter time, it's really going to have an effect on the foundation, causing eventually water seepage, efflorescence, and things like that to occur. So we're going to stand back. We're going to give it a few minutes just so you can see the difference on how this is drying versus the man-made porous product. Okay, great. We're finished our water test. It's really only been about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. You can already see that SurGuard is dry, even to touch. But you can see it's absorbed into the asphalt. It's also been absorbed into the concrete, the porous man-made retaining wall. Now that will eventually evaporate, but what happens when we're at the grade level here, especially where you can see a lot of erosion, that moisture getting pulled in, freezing, thawing in our climate, that cycle is what really degrades and breaks down the concrete, the cement foundation. So you just have to seal it with SurGuard. You're protected. You don't have to worry about it. It's an amazing product. We're really excited about this. As a matter of fact, if you're interested in seeing if SurGuard is right for you in your home, please get online, register. We'll have a personalized evaluation of your home to see if it's right. It's limited, obviously, because it's seasonal and it's weather permitting that we're able to do these jobs when you have to have a skilled crew that actually gets it done. But if you're interested in, just jump online, register with us. We'll be in touch and we'll evaluate your home to see if SurGuard is right for you.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.